Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Jai Shankar everyone. It gives us immense pleasure to reconnect with all of you once again. Saraswat Cultural Forum has always striven to connect with its members through various programs. Come the pandemic, Saraswat Cultural Forum adapted to keep its commitment to their members. Thank you, dear members, for the support and appreciation that you gave our online variety entertainment programs that we brought to you during the lockdown. Encouraged by your participation and appreciation, we bring to you yet another program, Nritya Ke Rang. Please enjoy the dance journey that we're taking you through. Tanvi Amladi, a media professional in Mumbai, first wore ghungroos to follow her passion for Kathak at the age of 10 years. As she explored her versatile dance style, she formed a strong base and a deep love for it. In spite of her demanding career and the fast-paced Mumbai lifestyle, her passion remained unwavered. It took 13 years for Tanvi to reconnect with her passion. She resumed her dance training in 2020 under Srimati Rujuta Soman, disciple of late Guru Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhate, at the Rujuta Soman Cultural Academy. Come, let us enjoy one dance recital by Tanvi. Pia Chandavarkar expressed her passion for Kathak at a tender age of 6 years. She followed her passion with Kala Chaya Institute and Nritya Bharati, headed by late Guru Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhate. After 10 years as a student of Kathak, she took a sabbatical from the dance form and completed her studies to carve her career. The passion for Kathak, however, only grew. The lockdown was an ideal time to start following her passion, and she found her gurus in Srimati Rujuta Soman, an established Kathak exponent and a senior disciple of Pandita Dr. Rohini Bhate, and Padma Shri Guru Pandit Suresh Talwalkar. Presently, Pia very ably handles her career, home, and deeply enjoys her reconnection with her passion, Kathak. Come, let us see a beautiful Kathak dance by
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Jai Shankar everyone. We would like to thank the Saraswat Cultural Forum for giving us this opportunity to perform Kathak at this platform, Nritya Ke Rang. No dance performance is complete without an invocation of the gods and goddesses. So we begin today's performance with the Ganesh Vandana, followed by the Ganesh Paran and a Sargam composed in Rag Kedar.
Devam Gaj Karnam Chaturbhujam Lambodaram Ekadam Vigno वक्रतुंड काली धाता विघ्न हरण सुख करण खगना धागे थोडंग दधि गणके थोडंग दधि गणके थोडंग दधि गणके सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म सा रे सा ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म सा रे सा ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा सा नि रे सा म रे सा रे सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प म ग प म ग म सा रे सा ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म सा रे सा ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म ग प ध म प सा रे सा नि ध प म सा रे सा ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प ध म प सा ध म प सा ध म प सा रे सा ध म प म प सा ध म प ध म सा म रे सा.
Our performance today will be centered around the Teen Tal, one of the core beat cycles used in Kathak. We will be presenting 3 different layers or speeds of the 16-beat Teen Tal. Vilambit, which is the slow speed, Madhya, which is the medium speed, and Druta, which is the fast speed. In the Vilambit lay, we will perform some of the traditional aspects of Kathak, beginning with the Uthan, which means Ut ke Ana. This is typically where the performer makes her first appearance on stage. This will be followed by the Thaat, which demonstrates not only the khade rehne ke tarike or the different postures in Kathak, but also highlights the structure and personality of the Teen Tal. After this, we will perform an Amad, which derives from the Persian language meaning to arrive or Agaman in Hindi. An Amad is also often combined with a Paran, which is another typical piece composed in Kathak.
Dhim, dhim, dham, dham, dhim, dhim, dham, uthan, dham, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhim, dhim, dham, ta, the, इधर, ते ta, the, ta, the, the, ta, the, ta, the, ta, the, ta, the, ta, the, 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 ta, the, इधर, ते ta, इधर, ta, the, ta, इधर, ta, dhim, dhim, dham, dham, dhim, dhim, dham, dham, da, tin, tin, ta, ta, tha, dhim, dhim, dha, dha, dhim, dhim, धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन 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 धा धिन तत थे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा तत थे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन 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 धा धिन तत थे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता धिन धिन धा तत थे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता रे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता थे थे तत थे तत तत ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा तक तक तकी तक तकी तक धी धा तक धा तक धा तक धा तक धा तक 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 धी तक 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 धा तक 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 धी तक 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 धा तक 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 धी धा ता 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 धा धिन धिन धा धा आमद तिन 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 धा तिन ता धिन धिन धा ता थे त ते ता थे ता आप थे त ते आ थे ता थे ता थे ता थे थे ता थे त ते ता तत ते ता तत ते ता तत ते ता धिन धिन धा धा तत ते ता 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 धा धिन धिन धा धा परिणाम तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा धा त क थुम गा कृधा के ती ये ता कृधा धिन दा कृध ता के धा के त का थुम गा त की त का ती करता करती करता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे थे ता थे ता थे 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 तत तत थे ता थे ता थे 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 तत तत थे ता थे ता थे ता थे तत तत ता चक्कर वाला अमर धा 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 तिन तिन ता ता धिन धिन धा ता थे तत थे आ थे तत थे थे तथे तथे थे थे तत तत ता थे तथे तथे थे थे तत तत ता थे तथे तथे थे थे तत तत ता तत तता 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 तधा ता
Moving on to the Madhya Lay now. We will be performing different variations of the Paran, which is a rhythmic composition comprising syllables of the Pakhwaj tradition. An interesting fact is that traditionally in Kathak, the Pakhwaj was used as the percussion accompaniment of choice for many years. The tabla came into use only much later. In the Madhya Lay, we will be also performing a choreography of a kavitra, which is a rhythmic poem set to teen tal, based on the popular Kathak theme of Chhed-Chhad. In this, a gopi narrates an encounter with Lord Krishna. She says, "One day, I was going to fetch water. I was lost in my thoughts. Suddenly, Krishna approached me, making strange demands. When I refused, he playfully grabbed my hands and broke my bangles." This poem is composed in the Braja language.
परण धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा टिन टिन ता टिट धा 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 के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट धा के टीट धा के टीकी ना के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट किड़ धा टीट झिट धा न धा न धा टिट ता न ता झिट धा धा धा। चक्रधार परण धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा टिन टिन ता टिट धा 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 के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट धा के टीट धा के ढीकी ना के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट झिट धा न धा टिट ता न ता झिट धा न धा धा के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट धा के टीट धा के ढीकी ना के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट झिट धा न धा टिट ता न ता झिट धा न धा धा के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट धा के टीट धा के ढीकी ना के टीट धा के टीट किड़ धा टीट झिट धा न धा टिट ता न ता झिट धा धा। कवित धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा टिन टिन ता थे थे। मैं जाती थी मधुर धुन चाली रे कुमार, मेरे सिर धर कुश मैं तो डगर नगर की, गेले हेमे रोके का मांगे रे अनोखे दान, के हो न जाए वाके जोर जबर की। आगे देखो पाछे देखो कोई सखी संग नहीं, सरक गई सारी सखी संग की। कर मोरा पकड़ कलाई मोरी मरोड़ डारी, करक गई सारी चूड़ी करके, करक गई सारी चूड़ी करके, करक गई सारी चूड़ी करके।
We will conclude our performance with the traditional Kathak footwork or Tatkar performed in the Drutalay. The typical conclusion of the Tihai, where the rhythmic beat is repeated 3 times, gives a fitting finish to the Tal presentation.
Vaishali Heblekar's passion for dance started at a tender age of 4 years. Under the tutelage of Gurus Shri Deepak Mazumdar and Srimati Prakriti Bhaskar at the Shiladish Art and Research Center in Khar, she completed her Arangetram. She performed at various dance festivals like the Modhera Sun Temple Festival at Orissa, the Adyar Festival at Chennai, and the Rasika Ranjani in Mumbai. She toured with Hema Malini as part of her dance troupe and also performed at the Star Screen Awards and at the Ambani Residence for International Dignitaries. Matrimony brought her to Pune, and when she couldn't find a teacher of her dance style, she continued to visit Mumbai during the weekends to get trained in her dance style, Bharatnatyam. Her efforts finally bore fruit and she found her dance teacher in Pune. She started her training under Srimati Gauri Paugi. After years of learning Bharatnatyam, Vaishali has now started to experiment with other dance styles like Lavani, etc., and continues to choreograph Bharatnatyam dance pieces. Come, let's enjoy one of those lovely dances today.
Jai Shankar. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha. Today, the first piece that I will be presenting is traditional movements set to a fusion of an English song. Dance is a universal language, one that is there within all of us. While some may discover it very early in life, there may be many others who would have inhibitions which would prevent them from expressing themselves through dance. Dance does not discriminate against gender, religion, height, physical appearances. Dance is a universal language. The first piece is a traditional movement set in a fusion song. The second dance item that I will be doing is the Padam. This Padam is based on Lord Krishna, set in Rag Pilu. This Padam has been composed by Sant Surdas in Braj Bhasha. The dance has been composed by senior Bharatanatyam exponent Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar. This Padam has the Gopika who comes to Lord Krishna's house. she complains to Yashoda Maya that it is all because of her that Lord Krishna has been naughty. It is all because she hides all the butter and curds from her son by locking it in cupboards or keeping it high up beyond his reach, that he needs to go out and look for all of this in other people's house. Actually, the Gopika has just come to look at Lord Krishna as he is playing. Complaining is just a reason. She moves on to tell Yashoda Maya that thankfully by God's grace there is a lot that you have. So then why should you not let your son get the butter and curds that he wants? It's not like you have so many kids that you need to distribute it equally amongst all of them. You have only one child. Then why would you do that? All this while, her attention keeps going to the little baby who keeps playing around on one side. She moves on to tell Yashoda Maya that in the old age, Shri Krishna is going to be her treasure and therefore she should be good to him. Yashoda Maya all this while is listening patiently to what the Gopika has to complain. At the end she tells her that she is well aware about her son, and she tells her that I am also aware why you have come to tell me. I know that you are looking for a reason, because all this while you have come only to look at Lord Krishna. Upon getting caught, the Gopika is ashamed and she confesses to Yashoda Maya that she had indeed come just to stare at Lord Krishna. She seeks her permission and takes Lord Krishna out to play with her. The Padam based on Lord Krishna.
महरी ते बड़ी कृपन हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपन हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपन हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपन है माई महरी ते दूध दही बहु विधि को दीनो दूध दही बहु विधि को दीनो सुत सो करद छपाई महरी दे सुत सो करद छपाई महरी दे बड़ी कृपन हे माई दूध दही बहु विधि को दीनो दूध दही बहु विधि को दीनो सुध सो करत छपाई महरी ते बड़ी कृपन है माई बालक बहुत नहिरी तेरे बालक बहुत नहिरी तेरे बालक बहुत नहिरी तेरे एक है कुंवर कन्हाई एक है कुंवर कन्हाई सोहटो घर दौलत सो उठो, घर ही घर दौलत सो उठो, घर ही घर दौलत माखन घात चुराई महरित माखन घात चुराई महरित बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरित बड़ी कृपण हे माई। वृद्ध वयस पुरे पुण्यनीत, वृद्ध वयस पुरे पुण्यनीत, तो बहुते निधि पाई, ताकि के घेवे पीवे को, ताकि के घेवे पीवे को, कहा करती चतुराई महरी दे बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरी दे बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरी दे बड़ी कृपण हे माई। सुनी मृदुल वचन चतुर नागरी, सुनी मृदुल वचन चतुर नागरी के, जसुमती नंद सुनाई, जसुमती नंद सुनाई, सूर शाम को चोरी के निस, सूर शाम को चोरी के निस, देखन है यह आई महरी ते, देखन है यह आई महरी ते बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपण हे माई महरी ते बड़ी कृपण हे बड़ी कृपण हे बड़ी कृपण हे माई।
Alka Lajmi devoted her life to her passion, Bharatnatyam, and has added many feathers to her cap in the dance realm. Trained under the eminent Dr. Sucheta Chafekar and Srimati Smita Mahajan, Alka, after her Arangetram in 1988, performed in various parts of India and showcased her talent in renowned dance festivals like the Kalarang Festival of Dance and Music in Goa, the Parikrama Dance Festival, and many more. Alka completed her Masters in Bharatnatyam from the Lalit Kala Kendra, Pune University with a distinction. A recipient of the title Singar Mani, Alka has been teaching dance to interested children, many of whom have already passed Visharad and Alankar examinations. For the past 20 years, she has been associated with the Gandharva Mahavidyalaya as an examiner for Bharatnatyam. Recently, Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal approved her thesis on changing trends in the teaching practices of Bharatnatyam and was conferred the degree of Sangeetacharya. A founder of Nritya Samved, an institute dedicated to teaching and propagating Bharatnatyam, Alka today conducts workshops and choreographs thematic Bharatnatyam recitals. Over to Alka and her mesmerizing dance recital.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Jai Shankar. I'm extremely grateful to Saraswat Cultural Forum for giving me this opportunity to present my dance in Nritya Ke Rang. I begin my performance with Pushpanjali, a symbolic offering of flowers to Lord Nataraja and the Rangadevata, and offering salutations to the Guru and the Ashtadikpala, the guardian deities of 8 directions. This Pushpanjali has been composed by my Nritya Guru, Srimati Smita Mahajan, presenting Pushpanjali.
Thank you.
all Kala Rasikas are familiar with Gita Govind, the beautiful love poem by Jayadeva, depicting the intense bond between Radha and Krishna. I now present an Ashtapadi from Gita Govinda, in which the Sakhi gives a piece of advice to Radha. She says, Madhave ma kuru manini. O Manini, O Radha, do not be angry with Krishna. He's coming here to meet you. Tell me, is there anything else that will make you happy in this world than being with Krishna? Then don't let false pride come in the way of your love. Let us see if Radha takes the Sakhi's advice. I present an Ashtapadi. Before I conclude, I would like to once again thank Saraswat Cultural Forum for this wonderful platform, virtual platform given to us dancers to present our art during this pandemic. I would also like to thank all the Rasikas virtually who have joined in to watch our performances. My heartfelt gratitude to my Nritya Gurus, to all the musicians who have lent excellent musical accompaniment in the audio recordings to which I danced. And I would like to thank Mr. Pankaj Redekar, who has been doing the video shooting and will be doing the editing of my videos. Thank you so much. I will conclude with a Kriti, a composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar. The devotee in this prays to Goddess Meenakshi. Meenakshi, me Mudam Dehi. O Goddess Meenakshi, give me happiness, the eternal happiness. The devotee hails Goddess Meenakshi as the Parshamochani, Meenalochani, one who is capable of destroying all the bonds and giving eternal happiness. Meenakshi me Mudam Dehi. I conclude with the Dikshitar Kriti. Thank you.
மூதம் தேமி நாக்ஷி மூதம் தேமி நாக்ஷி மூதம் தேவி நாக்ஷி மூதம் தேவி நாக்ஷி மூதம் தேவி देव सुंदरेश प्रिय मधुमुररि सोदरि सतोदरि विधि गुरुमुख शंकरि शंकरि साक्षी राज मादंगे मी